The past continuous has differences about the simple past, the one that we already talked about. These ones can be summarized as it follows. The simple past is used for actions that started and ended in the past. Instead, the past continuous is used for actions that are taking place in the past. How and when we can use the past continuous? First one, we can use it to express actions or state that were taking place in the past when another action or state interrupts or reinforces them. Like, I was walking when I saw an eagle. Next, we have to offer context, that is, give information about events or situations at a specific time. Like, last year I was studying for the exams. And last one, we have to mention two or more actions from the past that happened at the same time. So we have, while my son was playing video games, I was sleeping in his bedroom. So here we have two actions. Next, we have the structure of the past continuous. On the affirmative form, first we have the subject, then we have the verb to be, then we add the verb with termination ing, and then we finish with the complement. So an example, we have, your dog was playing with its toys when I arrived. Here we have the subject, the verb to be, the verb with termination ing, and the complement. Next we have the negative form. It's similar to the affirmative, but we just add the auxiliary not to the phrase. So we have I was not, or with that contraction will be I wasn't studying physics at that time. And with the interrogative form, we have the verb to be, then we have the subject, and then we have the verb with termination ing, and finally the complement. So it would be, were you eating candies when I entered the room? And this is the structure of the past continuous. In generally, the state verbs, they don't usually conjugate in the past continuous, with the exception of the following situations. We can use the past continuous to indicate a temporary situation, like I was loving hanging out with you. It can also be used to indicate voluntary actions, like she was smelling that lotion. When the present continuous is used with thinking or reflection verbs, it means that the idea that it has recent ideas, like they were regretting their decision to sell their house. And last one, we have, if feel conjugated in the past continuous, it means an state, like I was feeling good until my nap time. And here we have some examples about the past continuous, like you were going to swimming pool when I saw you. He was taking photos of his dog when the camera broke. She was talking to him while her son was doing homework. They were not sleeping together that year. And this is how it works, the past continuous.